Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. So this question belongs to GATE CSE 2017 set 2 question, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so the question is match the following. Okay, so the first P is a static char var. Okay, static character variable var is created here. Okay, similarly m is equals to malloc 10 and then we assigned a null to it. Okay, char star ptr 10 register int var 1. Okay, so now this question seems to be a bit interesting. So the first option is a sequence of memory location to store address. Okay, so which will be generating the sequence of memory location, guys? So basically this is right. So R is nothing but the sequence of memory locations to store address. So this is a pointer and this is an array of pointers is created. So R is nothing but 1. So let us check R equal to 1. So this is could be correct. Similarly this could be correct. So both of these are wrong. Got it? Yes. So let us continue. Okay. So a variable location in address section of memory. Okay. So a variable location in address memory section. So basically it is saying a variable is created. Okay. So it might be register or it might be static. So we are confused in between P and S for 2. Okay. So let us keep it aside for now. Similarly 3. Okay, so request to allocate a CPU register. Okay, so now I got it. So what is register? So register will be used in registers, right? Yes, to store data. Yes. So a lost memory to which cannot be preferred. So that is nothing but a null. So Q is for 4 and now P is for 2. So where P is 2, so option A will be the correct answer. Got it? Yes, so with just some small idea, basic idea, we are able to solve this, guys, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea like how we are exactly solving it, right? So basically here we are having a register and here it is a register, right? Yes, so that is matched. Similarly, this is array of pointers and this is saying array of pointers. Yes, that's matched. Here it will become a, here we created a location, guys, m with 10 bytes of storage and we assigned a null to it. So basically we lost this place. So that is the reason why it is lost memory. Similarly, static variable is nothing but the normal variable storage, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.